Hi guys, today's video is about Marini Naturals Calm Me Pretty Butter. So I'm starting off with stretched hair. I had put it in these three matutas, and the only thing I had put in was a leave-in, of which right now I'm starting to think that it wasn't such a good idea to use a leave-in that is different from the Marini brand. You'll see the reason why later on in the video. I lightly finger detangle just to release some shed hair that may have accumulated throughout the 4 days. I'm lightly spritzing my hair with water just to make it malleable, but not so much that it becomes damp or wet, because I don't want it to revert back to its natural curly state. I'm also going in with this wide tooth comb just to take out all the texture in my hair, because I want to set it in a style that will have a different curl pattern. So this is optional, but I like doing it just for that perfect style. I am extremely pleased with my current hair care routine that I stated in my 2018 hair growth challenge, because guys, look at all the hair that I shed. Now this is nothing compared to what I used to shed before. So grabbing the new and improved Marini Calm Me Pretty Butter, which is quite heavy butter, it's not moving anywhere. So if you like heavy butters, then this is the one for you. And it smells so good. Like, guys, don't be tempted to eat it. And look at that thick consistency. So for this style, I start off by sectioning out my bang area because I want my hair to fall on my face. Lakini hapa, what was I doing with this comb, Maki? Because my part ended up just looking so raggedy. I should have just used my fingers instead of using the comb. So Aki sielewi. So each of my sides are going to have a flat twist that goes around my head, and I'm going to do jumbo flat twists, so 3 on each side. So starting with the flat twist at the front, I grab the Calm Me Pretty Butter, which I am very heavy-handed with, but guys, a little goes a long way, so you don't need this much. Just gauge with your hair density how much it will need. Go through the comb just to make sure that the style is smooth, and when you're taking it out, it doesn't have any knots and tangles. Concentrate most of the product at the ends of your hair, and then start flat twisting with the twist coming towards your face. Now the technique that I use is usually to twist half your hanging twist, then add product to your remaining half and really smoothing it down just to make sure that it's really nice and smooth. Also, smoothing down the product helps it work it into the hair. Now take your palm rod and roll your hair on it, starting from the top, rolling it down like a corkscrew or a spiral or a coil kind of way, and securing it with the elastic tie. So that's what I'm going to do throughout the whole head. How I'm going to protect my hair at night is by using my Nappy Happy satin bonnet that I design and make. So I will tell you more details about this later. This is how it looks like. It does a great job at maintaining the hairstyle at night, and in this case securing my hair and keeping the perm rods away. This is the next day and I'm getting ready to leave, but I have to do a hot shot on my hair because there's no way I'm taking down this hair and it's not dry. So I'm not taking any chances. I'm using it over my bonnet because my bonnet does protect my hair from heat, and it also does prevent freeze, so it seems safe to take it out, and it does look good. So let's see how it will look when I unravel the hair. But I'm still skeptical if it is dry, but it seems good. So I'm gently taking down the flat twist, and as I do that I am very impressed with the definition. Like, wow. And the reason why I love flat twist is that when you're taking them down, you're kind of like sectioning the curls, so you don't have to section anymore. That is, if you don't want to. But yeah, the definition and shine is definitely there. Also, excuse my left arm. I don't know where I brushed off my arm on because I don't know where all the white stuff is coming from. But excuse that. Let's just act like it's not there. Another thing that I experienced was flakes, guys. It was raining flakes. And this is what I had said before. I had used a different leave-in from the Marini brand. So I am looking forward to redoing this hairstyle using the Marini leave-in as well. So wow, look at that, guys. So taking out the last flat twist, guys, and yo, the moisture, the shine, the definition. I am so impressed by the new and improved Marini. I'm so glad they reformulated. It's working perfectly. I just can't wait to use it on other hairstyles as well. So going in with my pick, I try and lift the hair, not combing. Don't let your comb go all the way through. And I also use my fingers to try and frame my face because I like my hair falling on my face. But this wasn't working, so I remembered this technique that I use. I use bobby pins to pin down the hair around my face so that they lie flat, and then I use the hair on top of it to cover up the bobby pins so that they become kinda invisible. And this technique also works especially when you're going out to a windy place and you don't want your hair to go all the way out and crazy. The bobby pins kind of contain them, framing your face, and the hair on the top, that's the ones that they get blown off by the wind. So this is a safe, wind safe kind of thing to do. Once you throw on your accessories, then you're good to go. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video helped you one way or the other, and see you on the next one.
Dreaming.